Today I am trying out the soap Musashi. Really interesting soap with some of the notes that I found here are tea, mild citrus, earthy, woodsy, and fir notes. That's as much as I can give you when it comes to notes. I'm not an expert. But the reason why I bought this soap, the name Musashi, it's inspired by the Ronin Musashi Miyamoto. I'm a big fan of his. He's a historical character. He was best known for his dual-wielding technique. It was known as Niten Ichi Ryu, which directly translates to two heavens, one style. He was the founder of this technique. He mastered both the katana and the wakizashi. The wakizashi is basically a smaller form of the katana. He was also the author of the Book of Five Rings, which I read last year, and the reason why when I saw the soap, I just had to have it. The Book of Five Rings, you might have also heard the name Gohri no Sho. It's a book about strategy, tactics, and martial arts, but it's much more than that. He also emphasizes the importance of discipline, life, and personal mastery. He's also very known for having fought so many duels, and when I say duels, I mean life and death. So the dude was just traveling around Japan and dueling guys to the death and beating all these other masters. He fought 60 duels during his lifetime, and he emerged undefeated. So when you see someone like Mayweather say that he's undefeated, no, this guy was truly undefeated. Alright, so here in the shave, I have my original gold dollar. This is my first piece that I ever bought. This is where I learned how to hone. And so, to stay with the theme of Japanese culture and, in this case, Miyamoto Musashi, who was a Ronin. So you might ask, what's the difference between a Ronin and a samurai? It's basically the same thing. The samurai does have a lord or a master that he fights for. A Ronin does not have a master. So, I honed my gold dollar with the Japanese natural Shohonyama. But before that, I set the bevel on the King 800. And I went straight to the Japanese natural. I used a Mikawa Nagura. Started with the Botan. And once that felt pretty good and nice, we switched over to the Mejiro, and once we were done with the Mejiro, we went to Tomo Nagura, or same slurry. And I think we got a pretty nice edge. I'm happy with the results. It felt really comfortable. The fingernail test just wasn't there, but the HHT was, and the packing peanut was. Also, I want to make a shout out to Leon, Long Haul Tanker, Eric the Cajun Blade, Bill M, and No Name Bear. You guys were in my live stream the other day when I was honing, and I really appreciate that. I appreciate all of you guys. That's it for today. Here's the Aqua Velva, and no sting at all. So have a nice rest of your week, and thanks for watching. I always reply to all your comments, and yeah.